Hey, hey, ciao. My name is Teresa Loveless and I am Italian. And I'm cooking a wonderful, easy dish with onions and I'll show it to you. I just put it in a pan with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. Let me show you. I'll turn the video and there it is. Look how beautiful. It's onion and bell peppers. So what you do is you slice the bell pepper really thin. See how thin it is? And you let it with onion together. You put it with onions together and olive oil, and then you put a pinch of salt. I use Himalayan salt. It's a little difficult to do this thing without my husband. Usually he helps me out. Pinch of salt. Don't be afraid of salt. Sea salt or Himalayan salt is very, very good for you. Full of minerals, and it's good for your body because our body is water and salt inside. We are like the sea, the ocean water. So people that say, oh, don't eat too much salt. Yes, we don't have to eat salt that are in foods like processed foods, but we can season our food with sea salt because it's really, really good. It's full of minerals. And then I put Italian seasoning. I put a little bit. Make sure also the Italian seasoning you buy is without fillers, but it's 100% seasoning. And if it's organic, it's even better. But anyway, this is all there is to it. I mean, you wait until, the heat right now is on high. See, it's because it doesn't have to be boiling. I don't like when it creates moisture too much. See that it's nice and crisp, and it's going to cook really, really nice. I love this dish because this dish is actually from Sicily, and what we do at the end, see, I put the cover on, but this way, look, that way it doesn't get too moist. So I was saying I love this dish because it's an Italian, actually Sicilian from Palermo dish. And what I do at the end, I will put some breadcrumbs, Italian style breadcrumbs. When it's already cooked, I mix it with 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, and so you mix it together just for 2 minutes, and it will toast. It will toast the breadcrumbs, so it's not mushy. And also, what we like to put in a Sicilian dish is pine nuts and raisins. Oh wow, it comes so good because there is the salty of the bell peppers, but also the sweet of the what did I say? Pine nuts and raisins, the small raisins. So, but if you don't have it, you don't need to put anything. In fact, I don't even know if I have it. But that's the favorite dish of my children because it has a Sicilian taste. And so So look, they are cooking really, really well. And I still want to put some little cover on top. Maybe I'll put it in medium. See, I'll put it down a little bit to number 2. That way it will cook down. Anyway, I cannot wait for you to see the whole process, because it will take about 15 minutes. So I don't know if you have any questions. Please write a comment, and I hope you will try these recipes, because I really would like for you to try and to let me know what happened. Even if you messed it up, that's okay. Take a picture and post a picture. We want to have fun. We want to have fun with these live videos, and we want to teach people other way of cooking, like Sicilian cooking, because that's all I do. I cannot cook any other thing. I mean, I can. If I go and get a recipe, I can follow the instructions. But it's another thing when you are born and raised in that country, and you know how to cook because you grew up with it. You saw your mom and your grandma, and then I did it when I was a young lady, recently married, and I didn't know how to cook. I always called my mom and said, "Mom, how do you do this? I don't know how to make bell peppers with the breadcrumbs." So I will put the ingredients underneath in the comments, but let me know if you are trying this dish. This can go as a side dish for meat, or even fish, or cheese and cold cuts. It's amazing. Or by itself. I think tonight I'm going to eat it by itself with amazing bread. It's whole wheat bread, organic, and it's made differently from the American companies. Here in Tulsa we have a Farrell's bread company, and they are from Germany. So the difference that I found in this type of breads is that it's not sweet like the American bread. They put too much sugar for me. So I found this bakery, I guess. I don't know if bakery is only for sweets or even for breads, but they only make bread. They make some cake, but not the type that bakery make. So I love this bread because it's really thick and it reminds me of Sicilian bread. So anyway, thank you for listening. Thank you for being on the live video, and make sure you try this recipe and let me know. Anyway, have a great night and buon appetito. Ciao ciao.